Checking out the new iPhone 16. Let's take a look at this camera and see what we got. So obviously quick to take regular photos. I really like the wide angle view out here in the desert, really looking cool. We'll take a photo there. And then of course we're back to standard. Now we're on zoom. She's leaving. Let's take a look at that mountain. So we'll zoom in. It's 2x zoom. Now there's 5x zoom, but let's take it to 25x zoom and just see what we can see over on the mountain. So neat. And I like that you can get this picture in a picture, get an idea of what your full screen would zoom out to. That's going to be great as a content creator. Really enjoying the zoom there. Let's go to portrait mode. We got some different light modes here that are easy to scroll through. We'll go to spatial mode. We'll turn it to landscape. Very nice. We'll go to panographic. And I guess we'll go this way. Rotate to landscape. Oh, no, I want to go to panographic. So we'll hit the button. And we'll get a scroll of the landscape. Very cool. Really impressed. Got the slow-mo, time-lapse, cinegraphic for the video options. Hope this helps.